Now let's look at articles. First, let's talk about articles in English, because we have articles in English and Spanish, and there are some similarities. Articles are a word that describe a noun, and we have two types of articles. We have definite articles and indefinite articles, and you'll recognize these. In English, definite articles are articles that specify a particular noun. The boy. The boys. So what's our definite article? The. Okay, that's a definite article. The girl, the girls. In all the cases, we have the. Now notice that our noun changes. We have a singular boy and then plural boys, singular girl, plural girls, and always we have one definite article, the. Now we have indefinite articles in English also. Indefinite means just kind of a non-specific noun. So one indefinite article we have is a boy. Some boys. A girl, some girls. Okay, these are our articles in English. How many articles do we have? We have 3 articles in English. What are they? The, a, and some. How many definite articles do we have in English? 1. It's the. How many indefinite articles do we have in English? 2. Really, it could be 3 because if boy started with an A, like apple, it would be an. So technically, we have 3 words that you have to know in English if you want to talk about indefinite articles. So these are the articles in English. Spanish, because of the gender of nouns, has a lot more articles. So we need to learn more words. Once we've categorized those nouns as masculine or feminine, the article is going to change. And it's also going to change depending on if the noun is plural or singular. So here we have masculine and feminine nouns, plural and singular nouns, but only this number of articles. In Spanish, if the noun is masculine and singular, the article is el. El chico. These are definite articles. El, so what does el mean? It means the. Okay? El chico, the boy. Now, if the noun is plural and masculine, the article becomes los. Los chicos. What does los chicos means? It still means the boys. Okay, it means the boys, but the article has to change according to the gender of the number of the noun. So we have singular and plural. This is for masculine nouns. Okay. If we have a feminine noun, we have to have a feminine article. La. La chica. If that feminine noun is plural, then we have a plural feminine article. Las. Las chicas. So how many definite articles are there in Spanish? 4. 4 definite articles. How many in English? 1. When we look at indefinite articles, again, in Spanish, the article is going to change in gender and number with the noun that it's describing. So if we have a boy, it's un chico. If we have some boys, unos chicos. If we have a girl, una chica. If we have some girls, unas chicas. In English, how many indefinite articles do we have? 2 or 3, if you count and. In Spanish, how many indefinite articles do we have? We have 4. So let's go over these articles again. In Spanish, the definite articles are el, los, la, las. The indefinite articles are un, unos, una, unas.